Hello, welcome to another unboxing. This time it's a Laurel and Hardy money bank from Big Chief Studios. Now I've already done a unboxing of the little bobbleheads and I bought this one at the same time. I ordered them a year ago, completely forgot I'd ordered them because I got it at a discounted price for ordering it before they were manufactured. They sent me an email and I'd completely forgotten that I'd ordered them as a whole year had gone by. So here it is at long last. And I see the detail looks lovely. So let's have a quick look round the box. I opted for this and the small bobbleheads out of what they had. So, well, I mean, I'd love to buy everything, but you know, you've got to draw the line somewhere. And I'm running out of space because I've got so many bits and bobs everywhere. So I opted for this one. So let's have a look, see what's inside. So I've had Weeping Angels from Big Chief Studios and they're lovely. They really are. Nothing's cheap from Big Chief Studios though, but this was fairly cheap. I think this is about £40, something like that. Polystyrene noise. Ooh. Come in a little bit now. There we go. So it survived the journey. So I didn't buy it because it was a money box. I bought it because I thought, wow, look at that. This looks like the one when they were, oh, what does it? It sort of reminds me of the one when they buy a boat and do it up in a yard and they were selling fish. But I think they had an umbrella and he had a horn. He had a big horn that he was blowing, so could be anything actually, this one, couldn't it? But it's not often you see them with a box on the back, and that's what makes me think it was the fish one. Because usually they don't have much in the back, unless it's Ollie with a big plaster on his leg. County Hospital. That's funny when they drive that. So, I'm not sure exactly what it's made from. I think it's some sort of plastic resin. I say with Big Chief Studios, you really do get nice detail. And there's a bung at the bottom if you do actually want to use it as a money box. There it is. Which is reasonably easy to open and close, I think. Yeah, reasonably easy. So let's see underneath there, Laurel and Hardy. Let's have a close up of the boys there. They seem very happy. I think they're driving through. I love it when they're driving through California. There's all these great big like palm trees and you can just tell that the weather's wonderful, even though it's in black and white and probably filmed in about 1932 or 33 or 34, my sort of favourite my favourite era for them. So let's just go quickly on the dimensions. So it's approximately 18 centimetres long. It is, let's go just over, say 13 centimetres wide to allow for that back there. That top bit's about 10 centimetres. Yeah, it's about 12 and a bit. Yeah, say 13. And the height is approximately 19 centimetres. What a fun thing to have, eh? I mean, you can't help but smile looking at them two faces, can you? And all the joy they've brought over the years to so many. Wonderful. So there we are. That's the Big Chief Studios Laurel and Hardy Money Box. Now available. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Come on!